Hey y'all, today's video shows us in Caprock Canyon, which is in Quitaque, Texas in the Texas Panhandle. I hope you enjoy our trip. Wow. Look at all these. What are these? Swallows? Aren't you brave? Can we just appreciate for a second here that my husband is holding his hand out to help me because he knows I'm afraid of heights? This man is truly a blessing to me.
Lots of tabs on here.
This is a really big one, huh? Edge. One wrong step. On. That's so cute. Oh, baby.
They look pretty healthy. They're not bony.
Jump at you and get you.
They can, but they don't really bite.
That's a tarantula, huh?
A rancho.
Is that what, is this the place that...
No, but that's the one Blake was talking about.
Bison hoof prints.
There's that thing we stopped on yesterday. After doing.
Yep. It's really pretty. That is the entrance, and there's a little poop from the buffalo. the man really wanted water, he'd walk around long enough to find the one that someone already dug for him. Pretty cool. That's what the trails look like up and down. It's a 2-mile trail one way, but we've gone probably 2.5 miles, and we still haven't gotten to the end. And then we got to turn around and go back.
What fly?
Well, there was just one on the edge of your shirt. I was just gonna show it on a video. These flies, y'all. Wait, I can see if I can see. You hear me in a video go, mother beep, then you know it's a fly's biting me, because they bite. And if you sit still long enough, or at all, they'll get you. Is that what that is?
Mighty.
Poo for the video.
That's huge. Waiting on an eagle to come by and get him.
A height situation for me. The girl is scared. Take a picture of it. See. Oh, there it goes. There he is. Can you see him? He's blue. He's down there. He's so blue, babe.
That'd be a good place for a mountain cat. It doesn't look old.
It's definitely skinny. What does this sign say?
Official scratching post.
It's funny. What does the sign say? Can you read it? That is a really big one. This is the Canyon Rim Spur. I think we're going to go to the Canyon Rim Trail. It's different than the last one we did. It's like a aiming into the valley. There's Kelly going off on the ledge. This Canyon Rim Trail is really easy, thank God, because that other one killed me. Let's go see Kelly. And the view. Oh, y'all see that? Holy cow. Woo.
That's pretty.
Don't fall. No doubt. That's beautiful. Y'all, I am out of shape, obviously, but we just finished, it's 11 o'clock, and we just finished about a 5-mile hike. it's hot, if you know what I'm saying.